Welcome to Best RV channel. Nalamar from Best RV. Today I'm presenting the smallest sing-axle bunk travel trailers with a slide out. Everybody asks me, you have too many single axles, bunk models 16, 17, but I need a slide out, but I want to stay in the same size and stay the same weight. Well, this is what is behind me. Is perfect what you're looking for. It's a brand new 2026 Keystone Springdale 1760BH. Is a 17-foot with a dinette slide, bunk bed in the back. Next to it is the bathroom and a queen in the front. So one of the major features this year, Keystone, they start giving you a lot of stuff. What they mean by giving you a lot of stuff? And I'm gonna go show you what they give you a lot of stuff. Number one, as you see, is a nice paneling in the front. They're rough. If you see the texture is a rough, you can hear the cameraman. He can show you it's a rough. And it is 3 panels, 1, 2, 3. And then you have this one is the diamond in the front. They give you a compartment storage here so you could see things. Now, in the other side, as you see the cameraman, he will show you, it come with a 220 watt solar panel on the roof with 30 amp controller and inverter prep. Other brands, they don't give you that. They just throw a solar panel and that's it. But this one has inverter prep and 220 watt. The other brand, they give you 190 or 200. This has 220 watt. Very important. And pass-through storage, another thing. Power awning with LED light, as you see. Nice tip. I want to stop in here and explain to you why you need to buy Keystone. Keystone RV, they give you a 3-year structure warranty on the walls, windows, doors, floor, roof. So that's given to you. Other brands, they give you 1 year tip to tip. Keystone, they said, no, we're going to step up the bar and let the other manufacturer be the followers. They give you 1 year tip to tip, 3-year structure, and 12 years on the roof. As well, they prep the plug. As you see, this yellow sticker said inverter prep. Inside and outside, you're going to see a bunch of 110 plug, and it has that stickers. What does that mean? These plugs will work off the inverter if you add the inverter. So this will work off 110. If you add the inverter, then you will run these plug as 110 from the inverter and the battery. And again, if you want to, you don't have to. That's what you want, not what you need. It comes with a stabilizer jack in the front and the back. Other manufacturers, they give you jacks only in the back. So look at that. This is worth $1 million. This is safety for you and your kids and your family. They give you a solid bumpers in the back. Some manufacturers, they cut costs by not giving you a bumper in the back. And they do 2 birds in 1 stone. It's protections as well as the place where you store your sewer hose. They give you spare tires. A lot of manufacturers on the single axle, they do not give you a spare tire. So spare tires come with it. Come with a backup camera. As well, leopard expandable, the Go ladder. That's what I'm talking about, features and benefits what Keystone they provide you on the 1760. Plus the cost. Show me somebody's gonna give you this unit for the selling price we offer you. We know they cannot. And if they do, ask the first question, do you charge me fees for get ready package? Do you charge me fees for dealer prep? We do not, they do. On-demand hot water heater, that's another advantage on the Keystone. 30 amp plug, and they give you the most reliable slide-out mechanism. A lot of people, you see on the web, they have a lot of open forms and they say swing slide. Well, before they used to have the swing slide with the rack like on the side, and that one, yes, it give us hard time a lot in the service. A lot of unit came in, issue with the slide. The teeth is been biting, is not coming straight. Slide out coming in an angle, slide out stock, all kind of horror story about the slide out. It used to be on the swing slide. So Keystone learned from the mistake, and other brands also they did use that slide out. They said no more swing slide. We're gonna use the cable slide because this is more reliable, easy to maintain. Within 1 hour, our service department they could change the system just to show you how easy the system. So that's a plus. Coming down over here, you have the pass-through, and please show them the inverter and the solar panel on the unit, whereas the other manufacturer, they don't give you. Now, we're gonna go inside and talk about the nice features of the 1760BH. Now, I wanna show you Features, please. I am more features benefit because I want you get the most buck for your money. This unit provides you one major thing, and other deals. The height, that's a big deal. Air condition on the roof, not on the side. Nice bed with the storage. Sleep 2 people easy in the front, and I could face the TV on the mounting bracket locations. People sitting in the dinette, they could watch the TV. People in the bunk area, they could watch the TV. The reason why we don't put TV, because the cost of TV from Costco and Best Buy and Walmart, way like $100, you could put a nice TV here. Inverter outlet, USB plug. There's room area here for books, laptops. Easy to get in the bed, easy to fix. That's a big deal. Easy to fix the bed. Point, I'm reaching the edge of the bed. A lot of ladies, they say, oh, some beds I can't fix. No, this is, you could put the sheets on that bed, no question asked. Nice shelf for more storing things. And then they don't waste the space. I told you, Keystone, they always do extra for my customers. Sometimes I say, you guys doing a lot to my customers. Look the storage. Look the storage in the front. Plus, this piece is the storage from outside, as I showed you. Beautiful. TV brackets and TV hookup. And again, inverter outlets. I could run the TV off 110 if I have inverter. Kitchen. Now, why this kitchen is worth $1 million? Because a lot of single axle, and you notice single axle, the word single axle, is the manufacturer cheaping up on the fridge by giving you a small fridge. On the 1760, Keystone said, no, we're going to give the customers the 10.8 cubic foot refrigerator, run off 12 volt, the one with the fridge and a freezer. Ooh, nice cold. And this, again, please customer, do not worry. This fridge, look, I'm middle nowhere, middle of the lot, and it's getting cold. Ooh, cool off a little bit. And it's hot, it's work efficient, more fast. And I'm not worried. Why? Because I have a 220 watt solar panel on the roof. It feed up this fridge, no question asked, through the battery. So this is a 12 volt refrigerator. This is the same refrigerator they use in the big trailers. Please emphasize 1760, 2-door fridge, big fridge. Same thing, everybody give you microwave. I'm not gonna say nothing about it. Place for your, silverware. Big place for trash can and tinsels. 2-burner range. And then we have the dinette. Very roomy. It is, because again, the 1760 is an 8-foot trailer. So it's a wide body standard, not 70-inch like some other brands. Take that in considerations. 2 place to sit, as you see here, 2 here, 2 in there. And then you don't waste time. They give you doors. Whatever you want to put. The list is endless. And then over here, you have nice storage. As well, right here. And by the way, the dinette become a bed. So whole bed in the front is a storage inside outside. Whole dinette benches is a storage from inside. And then you have a solid bunk. And the beauty about this, I want to show my customers this bunk bed. If I'm laying down here, I could socialize with my family members. I could watch the TV while I'm sitting here in my bunk bed. I could see the TV right there. So that's the beauty about this bunk. Easy to get in, solid middle. Not worry about a piece of wood's gonna die on me. Very roomy. There you go. No problem. One here, one there. 1 or 2 in the dinette and 2 in the front. So easy 5. If it's small sizes kids, you could do 6. No question asked. And it's easy to come up from the bunk bed. See, see, easy. Okay, and then they have also, they don't forget, they give them USB plug in every bunk. Now, the bathroom. What we talked in the other video on the 1800 BH, worth $1 million. Why? A lot of single axle trailers, they do not give you bathroom sink. This unit come with bathroom sink. So this is nice. So I don't have, when I do my business in the bathroom, I have to go to the kitchen and wash my hand. I have my own sink here. I did my business, I wash my hand, nice mirror, I could do shaving, get ready, and I could do all that through here, no problem. And then coming over here, nice beautiful shower with a skylight, and come with the curtains. So this is a beautiful 1760 BH, perfect for weight. You could pull with the V6, V8, small SUV, no question asked. Perfect for family, and you could see through the cameras. It has all the amenities you need. Price. We buy them in bulk at Best RV. It's really sad, some customer, they don't see the value in the whole picture when they buy from Best RV. We save you on the price. We know, and you know, and deep of your heart, you know, you're a smart guy. You get on the web and you see what the other dealers in the state of California, what they sell this unit, and you saw our price, and our price is lower than them. Secondly, I save you on the price. I save you no hidden fees. I wash it, clean it, prepping it. I show everything is work function at no cost to you. Dealer, they charge fees. I do not. And the third option where I save you, if you want to finance it, I shop and I get you the lowest interest rate from the Fed for you. So I save you in the sale price, I save you in get ready package, no hidden fees, and then I save you in finance if you want to finance it. And that's, if you look at the whole pictures, complete all these sections of the process of purchasing the travel trailer from Best RV, you're gonna find out you save thousands of dollars than the guy down the street. So come to Best RV and grab the 1760 BH and let's go camping.